In this video, I'll walk you through how to use QuickBooks Online so you can manage your business finances, track income and expenses, and stay organized from day one. After logging into QuickBooks Online, you'll land on the dashboard. This home screen gives you a quick overview of your financial activity, including income, expenses, and recent transactions. Take a moment to get familiar with the left-hand menu because this is where you'll access the main tools you'll use every day. Start with the banking section, where you can view and manage your connected bank accounts. Here, you review incoming transactions and categorize them as income or expenses. Categorizing transactions regularly helps QuickBooks keep your records accurate and automatically updates your financial reports. Next, use the sales section to manage customers and create invoices. You can generate professional invoices, send them directly to clients, and track when payments are received. This helps you stay on top of cash flow and outstanding balances. The expenses section is where you record bills, receipts, and business purchases. Entering expenses consistently gives you a clear picture of where your money's going and makes tax time much easier. You can also attach receipts to transactions to keep everything documented in one place. As your data builds up, visit the Reports section to view important financial summaries like profit and loss statements, expense reports, and sales reports. These reports help you analyze your performance and make informed business decisions. By reviewing transactions, sending invoices, tracking expenses, and checking reports regularly, you'll keep your books up to date and your finances under control. If this guide was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for more QuickBooks tutorials.